Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CapCut, edit videos online step by step clearly. Open your web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type CapCut.com and press enter. Wait for the CapCut homepage to load completely. Find the login button on the top right area of the page. Click Login to open the sign-in options. Choose your preferred method such as Google, TikTok, Facebook, or email. If you select Google, click Continue with Google. Pick the correct Google account or click Use another account if needed. Allow any permission prompts if they appear to complete the login. If you select TikTok, click Continue with TikTok and log in with your TikTok details. If you select Facebook, click Continue with Facebook and enter your Facebook credentials. If you select email, choose the email option and type your email address. Create a password if you are signing up for the first time, or enter your existing password to sign in. Check your inbox for a verification code if CapCut asks to confirm your email. Enter the verification code on the website and submit it. After logging in, locate the online editor or try CapCut Online button. Click it to open the CapCut web editing workspace. Allow the site to use cookies or storage if a prompt appears, so the editor works properly. On the editor page, click Create New Video or New Project. Choose the correct aspect ratio like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts. Click Import or Upload to add your video clips from your computer. Wait until the upload finishes and your media appears in the library panel. Drag your clips from the library onto the timeline at the bottom. Click a clip on the timeline to trim, split, or adjust its speed. Use the text tool to add titles, captions, or subtitles. Open the audio section to add music or sound effects, and lower volume if needed. Preview your video by pressing the play button to check timing and edits. Click Export, choose resolution like 1080p, then start exporting and download the final file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.